And it goes a little something like,
Oh, I'll keep love you all summer and after. Oh, I'll keep you all.
Hi guys, so today is day 4, Thursday, and hold on, today's day 4, Thursday, and I've done a few steps. So I've done just over 2,000 steps today. Today I was in pain, I won't lie, just my muscles here and then my legs, but I know that I've got to run it off today, otherwise I'm gonna be in pain again. So I'm gonna actually join this vlog and day 5 together, just because I'm only gonna get about 5 minutes out of it. And yeah, today what did I eat? Because I've been speaking about what I ate in the other vlogs. So today I've eaten rice and beans. So I had a scone. Imagine the scone was like 200 calories. I said, hey, had a scone for like, I broke my fast around 12, and then I had a scone. It was just a Tesco scone, like a basic scone with fruits in it, fruit scone, and I had just one, and that was about 200 calories. And then I cooked rice and beans with like pork stew, and then yeah, that's what I've had. And yeah, oh, I can't eat now. I was gonna go and find something to eat, but I can't eat now. I've got to fast. So otherwise, if I eat now, then it means that I have to break my fast really late. So yeah, I'm just gonna drink water, basically. Drink water. But yeah, when I finish my 10k, I'll come back and then see you guys. Peace out.
Watch out! Listen! Watch out!
Hi guys, welcome back. So I managed to only get about just over 8,000 today. Slightly my fault. I'm just tired and it's 12 o'clock and I have to wake up at 4, so I'm just going to sleep and to go and shower and sleep, so that's why. And yeah, I guess today was 8,000. Tomorrow I've got to do 12,000, I think, just so that I can get the normal average of 10k a week. So see you tomorrow. Goodbye. Hi guys, today is day 5 and do you know what, I'm actually feeling really good. I'm going to work out with hubby. He's actually encouraging me because I was gonna sleep, but I figured it's better to work out now because I'm in a little bit of pain and I know that later on in the evening it gets worse, so I'd rather work out now just to like get used to the pain. But yeah, see you guys. And I've only done like 1,000 and a bit, or maybe 2,000 2,000 steps now. But yeah, I'll update you as soon as I get my 5k. I'll give you an update. I've eaten as well because I broke my fast at 12, so yeah. All right, see you later. Hi guys, welcome back. So I have just achieved my 10k steps. Don't mind my hair because I was going ham. Like I literally was running, I was doing like them heated walking. Oh my god, I needed to achieve it, and when I finished I had to rest because I was too tired. But yeah, so I only managed to achieve 10k, so my average is actually 8,000 and something, only because I did 8,000 yesterday. And yeah, so I'm gonna try. It's not as easy as you think, but I guess I've done well. I've seen a little bit of changes, but not so obvious, so I don't want to show anything because I want to be able to show a video of me before and then after, compare it between the first day 1 and then day 2. So that's something that I want to do. But I do know that day 1 my belly was big, like it was just poking out, and now it's not so, it's still poking out, but it's not really so obvious like it was before. Oh, TV's on. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so tomorrow I've got like filming to do. I've got a Zara haul that I'm filming, but that's about it really. I'll try and get my steps done. I don't know if we should go for a walk. Babe, are we gonna go for jogging tomorrow, or for a walk at least? Oh, you've got football. Oh, I'll walk with you to football actually, so I can get, yeah, so I'm gonna walk with Nana to football, because usually when I walk with him to the park and back, I usually get like 4,000 to 5,000, between there about. So I think I'll use that opportunity to actually achieve the 10k tomorrow. Yeah, I think that's it for day 5, I guess, and I've got day 6 and 7 tomorrow to do. So yeah, see you guys later. Bye.